today's session we will learn some very basic command such as copy, move, scale and align. This is very basic command for doing AutoCAD work is very effective way. We must be aware about this command: copy, move, scale and align. These are the name of command, and in AutoCAD we use CO for copy, YAM for move, and SC for scale, and align for and AL for align. These are the command we will learn today. So let's have a look of previous class, just a quick revision for that. At first, we by opening AutoCAD, we first set up our units, working unit, UN, enter, architectural, 0 feet 0 inches precision, and this to be inches. Now okay, our unit has been set. Now if we draw anything on this working place, we get its unit in feet and inches. Okay, this is the thing. Now let us draw a rectangle of 2 feet 2 feet by 2 feet, 2 feet, tab 2 feet. So here it is. If you have, while working on AutoCAD, if your work has been disappeared, now there is a two method. One is Control Z, Control A, Control E. But sorry, I just forgot it. If like this, if your drawing has been disappear, now no need to worry. You just enter PLAN plan and double enter it. Now your drawing has been shown. How much drawing you have done, no problem. It doesn't make any problem to you. If your work has been disappear like this, then it will show your all of your work. Now again we will try. Let's enter PLAN plan, double enter. Now look, this is your work. So this is the importance of plan. So again, now create a rectangle of 2 feet, tab 2 feet. So here where is drawing, we can't see it. So now enter PLAN plan, double enter. We get our rectangle. So now first we are learning command copy. So now write in your copy command name CO, and what it will work in remark we will write copy. Well, let's have a look. Now for before writing command in AutoCAD, your cursor has to be in this place, like this crosshair and selection box. Okay, now just we can type command in this box too, or simply by this CO copy, then selecting an object. Okay, copy select objects. So now, or here we can also write copy. In both we can write, but we should remember that we should not write command first. We should select object. In previous class I have already discussed about the importance of this blue screen and green screen. If you don't know about this, you can watch my AutoCAD class learning day 1. Okay, now let's go. Now after selecting the drawing which you want to do copy, okay, after selection you just type CO, no need to type all copy. We can just type CO, then enter. After then, from which page you want to copy, this, this, or this point, or anywhere like this. Okay, now let's do again. CO, enter, click here, copy as much as you want, as much as you want. Yeah, let's do one thing. Let's put rectangle here, and you want to copy this rectangle by aligning in this. So how will you copy it? You will first select it, enter CO, enter, then click on this point and let it be here. Okay, why we not? Then after selecting, if you select this side and you want to here, we cannot just adjust perfectly, so we need to select that corner which we know its place. So for example, while placing it into this, which corner will you select? This corner, this corner, or this corner? CO, copy this corner, this corner, or this corner. We will select this corner and we will place it here. So again, selection, copy, enter, this corner to this corner. Just look here, we cannot just match here. We can match here but cannot match there. So what we do is we select that and select the needed corner. Okay, just put it here. So now we have selected. Now this is the importance of copy. We can copy as much as we can copy. Okay, now let's delete all this. Selection, E, erase, E, enter, erase. Then now another important is move. Let's draw again rectangle of any size. Then now for move, we need command M, and which will move our object. Let us suppose a rectangle here of this size, and we need to move this object here inside it. Okay, now we can just move it. Will don't copy, it will just move it. But if you want to copy it, you can just generally select it with green or blue screen, whichever is compatible with you. Then now CO, enter, click anywhere in the screen and present here. So now move and copy command. I think move and copy command has been clear to all of you guys. Now let's learn one of the most used and important command, AL, which will align our object based on the object size, or just look how it will look. We have a rectangle of 2 feet, 2 feet, tab 2 feet. Here it is. What if this happens? Just enter PLAN plan, double enter. So we get a now this is a rectangle which is perpendicular, that is its angle is perpendicular. This means this angle is 90 degree. What if we want to place this rectangle on this slope? How can we solve that? Just generally some people do like this, copy, and they copy here, and they do like this, copy, they bring it here, and they again select and rotate. Arrow command means rotate and make this alignment, but while managing it will not be perfectly. So how could we do it perfectly? Now I will teach you. Let's draw a rectangle here. Let's draw a line here. Then we want to just rotate this rectangle according to its this slope line. Okay, now select this and enter command name align, which will align the object. Then here on the screen you can notice specify the first source point. Then our first point will be this, and uh, after this specify first destination point. First destination point will be this, and specify second source point. Second source point is this, and after this specify second destination point. Destination point will be this. Then there is no third point to specify, so we will just enter once we enter. After entering, there is an option scale object based on alignment points, yes or no. If we, what happens, okay, let's see. If we click on yes, it will scale the object based on alignment point. That means our rectangle will be same as this line, the length of the aligning line. But if we click on no, our rectangle will be same as previous rectangle, but it will be just simply click on no and you will understand no. Look here, this it happened. Okay, then again now control Z we became, and then again align first source point, first destination point, second source point and second destination point, enter. And now if we do yes, our rectangle has been big. Okay, this is the difference between aligning and rotating. Now before moving to anything, I have forgot to tell you something. Look here, this screen, this is known as ortho mode on and ortho mode off. What does this mean? If you off this line, then simply yell enter, we can draw any of line. Okay, it will move in any direction, but after enabling this ortho mode, when ortho mode is on, then after clicking L and enter, we can just only drawing on x and y direction only. We cannot go in any other direction, only x and y direction. Okay, this is the difference between L and this ortho mode and ortho mode off. Okay, now second command we will learn is name called scale. It will scale the object. So write down command name sc and in remark write scale. So have a look here. I say rectangle, yes, but this rectangle is about 2036 feet. What if we want it bigger size? So simply select it by green screen or blue screen. It doesn't make much sense, but just select it. Now after selecting, just type sc and enter. Now specify base point from where you want to scale. Suppose for now midpoint here the midpoint is not available of this rectangle, so simply point here on this screen of snap object and go to the geometric center. Then geometric center, now you will find the center of this geometry called rectangle. Now the scale, now you want how much you want this rectangle, this or this. Okay, now for I will make it shorter. Okay, now this is the command called yes. What, let's say what, now this is a rectangle of 570 feet. Now you want to make the rectangle of only 5 feet. So how can you make it? By stretching it? No, we will use the command scale. First of all we will select it, So I will repeat again. The rectangle size is 570 feet. Now you want to make it 5 feet, not 570 feet. Now what will you do is you will select this rectangle, press SC and enter and specify this base point. Okay, then do not click on the screen or do not press any key. Just press R and click enter. Now specify the reference length, from which length you want to increase or decrease the length. Specify this point and specify this point. Now the rectangle will be decreased or increased with respect to these 2 points. Look here, with these 2 points. Now how much length you want of this line, of these two reference line? 5 feet. Just enter 5 feet. Now the length of this will be 5. It will 5 feet. Now this is the importance of scaling. Okay, so what we have learned is, first we learn the command copy, move, align and scaling the object. So on tomorrow class I will bring some more AutoCAD shortcut command for drawing our AutoCAD drawing as much fast as we can.